everybody, it's Tana here from the Textdrip demo team. And today I'm going to be showing you how to automate your hustle by using our quick responses. Now, most of you know quick responses are a really great way to quickly respond back to your customers. So today I'm going to be showing you how to actually create one. So I'm going to start by clicking here to where it says add response. Put in your friendly name. Then go ahead and fill out the message body and then click on save. Really simple. Once you have this, you can now make as many different quick responses as you like. This is how it looks within our system. But that's just the tip of the iceberg. Did you know you can use quick responses to send automated messages? Well, let me show you how. Let's take a look at the quick responses. You'll see that we have a keyword column and we also have a message column. Let's take a look at the appointment booking quick response. Now, on the appointment booking quick response, you'll notice that the keyword column is blank and this is inactive. So let's go ahead and go to edit here. Let's add in some keywords. That's right. You can have multiple keywords for your quick responses. How about we add in the words link and book, followed by a comma, link, book. And remember, these are not case sensitive. After that, we're going to select here where it says send auto reply. Now we're going to select save. Congratulations, you've now made a fully automated response. Now, by adding the word link and book, you can now ask your customer certain questions like, hey, if you would like to book an appointment, please type back the word book. Or you can say, if you would like the link to book an appointment, please reply back with link. Once your customer replies back with book or link, they will automatically get the pre-saved message from you that is not case sensitive that you have saved with the corresponding quick response. Making your quick responses automated will make sure you never miss out on a text again. For more information or details about quick responses, you can always book a demo with me, go to the help tabs, or go to textdrip.com. And remember, subject to change as we continue to grow and update. Bye, everybody.